got to tell you, the wide open three for Curry to win the game was just an absolute brick. I don't understand this guy. Greatest shooter of all time. They always tell me how he's the greatest shooter of all time. 3 of 11 tonight from downtown, the greatest shooter of all time. And I'll bet my life Larry Bird would have hit that shot. I don't care what you think of me either. I'm telling you, greatest shooter of all time because it's right now. They always talk about this guy because it's today. I'm telling you, do you think Bird would have made that shot? I do. And people say, oh, well, we'll never know. Well, I know this. I just watched that guy shoot bricks all night. Once they got a double team on him, he was worthless.